welcome back to my channel. This is Sandra. So today you are in for a treat. I have a box from Tarte that came last week and I have not had a chance to do a video on this haul. So I'm so excited because I've been waiting for this forever, and I do notice that when I'm trying to track the shipping, it doesn't accurately tell me where the product is at all times. It just says one moment it's in New Jersey and then the next it's in Calgary. So anyway, other than that, I would like to show you what I have. So the first item that I'm so excited for, and it's all in this kind of dark purpley blue packaging. It's called Double Duty Beauty, so that's just kind of one of their the names of their brands. This is the Base Tape Hydrating Primer. So I'm assuming it goes along with the Shape Tape or the Face Tape, but this is what it looks like. And it is a hydrating primer, so I did purchase this for summer because I love hydrating products. And I just have a little bit on my hand and I'm just going to rub it in and see what it smells like. So the website says it smells like coconut. And it does. It's not a strong smell at all. It's very light, very gentle, and I think this will be a really nice moisturizing primer. And I noticed, and this is just me, but when I use the Shape Tape setting powder with any Shape Tape product, so whether it's the foundation and then the concealer and then the powder, it applies so smooth. My under eyes look fantastic. So I'm very excited to give you guys a first impressions video using these products. Oh, I can't wait. All right, so the next product is another Shape Tape foundation. So this is the shade 35G Medium Golden. And I'm sure that this video will be posted after the video for this makeup look, but I did talk about my, let me just find it here, my Foundconcealer. So it's also by Tarte, but I purchased that one off the Sephora site. So, right, so this is the Tarte Foundconcealer. This is what this bottle looks like. It's really cool. And although I didn't actually get this from the Tarte website, I can still include it in this video because it's a Tarte product, y'all. So watch this. You twist the cap and up it goes. So cool. So this is the shade 42N Tan Neutral, and I am wearing it right now, but I did mix it with a L'Oreal, I believe, or maybe it was Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and that was the shade Classic Ivory. So I really wanted to blend it into my current skin tone. Did not want to go crazy until, you know, at least the end of May, maybe June. And then we'll get into this color because this is very dark. So, again, also I haven't used this by itself. I can't actually give an accurate representation of it or a review because I don't know how it actually works, but I'm loving the mix that's on my face right now. It applied amazing. My under eyes look good, so we'll just have to wait and see when I can use it on its own. So this, I do have the other shade, and this is actually what it looks like here. This one is the 35N Medium Neutral, and this is perfect for my shade right now. So I'll take this new one out of the box and I'll show you what the shade looks like. I won't put it on my hand, but we'll just kind of compare them. So honestly, not that big of a difference. 35N and 35G, so I guess it's just it's supposed to have golden undertones in it, which I guess it does. This one maybe has more like a beigey neutral, and this is definitely more yellow. So I could probably use this one right now too. And maybe for my next makeup video, I will use it. Because now that I have done this haul, I can use the products. So, we will keep with like face products right now, and then we'll move on to the really colorful stuff. So this is another Shape Tape Concealer. This is again the packaging they come in. So I do have, I'll probably keep this one, I might take it out of the box because I will be using it pretty soon because it is summer. I have currently 3 other shades. Let me see if I remember what they are. So I've got Light Sand because I loved the look under my eyes in winter and fall. I just love that really bright under eye look with the really highlighted, like the nose, forehead, and chin look. And then I also have Light Neutral, which I still kind of get away with wearing now. It's specifically under the eyes. And then I believe I have, is that Light Medium or Light Medium Sand? I'm not sure, maybe Light Medium. And then this one is Medium Sand. So even this one I could pull off now and it'll probably still be light enough for my under eye, but I wanted one that was a bit darker but that could still be brightening for under eye when I am wearing these darker shades of foundation. So that might be a little too drastic of a change, but for instance the 35G, that might be really go well together, because if this is yellow tone and then this is obviously medium sand, they really go well together. Alright, so we can get rid of that box. The next face product is this Tarte High Performance Naturals Rainforest of the Sea Filtered Light Setting Powder. So I'm very excited to check this out because, yes, it's just a setting powder. It's translucent. It's not white. Remember me saying in the past, I do not like white powders because they do possibly leave a white cast on your face when you're taking photos or videos, but this has an amazing, really light vanilla smell, and oh my goodness, you guys, it's so nice. And again, we'll have to wait till we actually use the product to give a review on it. I'm just going to open it. But I like it because it does actually have the lid that comes off. So unlike the Shape Tape powder, the lid on that one doesn't come off. It just kind of opens up like this. But this one comes off so I can dump some product in the cap. And there you go. But we will do a first impression with this as well, using the primer and the new shade of foundation. I'm so excited. Okay, so we've got 3 more products here. So this isn't a huge haul. I'm sorry guys for those of you who love makeup hauls and love opening up the new box of products. I have 3 more products, and oh, these are so pretty. Okay. So I did open this box previously and I didn't put it back together again properly, but I'll show you. The mascara, the Maneater mascara. So this is a volumizing mascara. It says voluptuous mascara, and of course it's in black. So I just love, I think this is one of their limited editions because you can actually get, let me see if I have a sample of the other one. So this is what the regular one looks like, and it's got black and purple spots on it, and this is just a sample. I think I got it from Sephora. Let me take this out of the box. Ah, so pretty. I love it. I'm such a nerd. Packaging is everything, you guys. So these companies that come out with these amazing products, like mind you, I wouldn't have got this if the product wasn't amazing, but the packaging sold me. So I had to get the limited edition rather than the regular one because it's got pink leopard spots. And the same for this. Remember me talking about this in one of my very first videos? I said I wanted this beautiful mascara, and this is the Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. This stuff is amazing. So whoops, as I drop it everywhere. Lights, Camera, Lashes. So I just wanted to show you the difference here. So it kind of looks the same. This one is the Lights, Camera, Flashes. So I believe this is, it's called Statement Mascara. Let's take this one out of the box and see what it's called. Okay, this one's called just 4-in-1. So I really, really loved how the Lights Camera Flashes mascara applied. I don't even remember purchasing this. I can't remember if I got it for free or if I purchased it, but anyway, this stuff is amazing. And this one, I will show you another sample that I have. So I believe this is just a special edition of this one here. This is the Lights Camera Lashes, and the normal one is purple, like a purple tube. They are all in the shade black, but this is gold with pink flamingos on it. So again, I'm telling you guys, it is all about the packaging. Obviously, I love Tarte mascara. I have tried, I think it's every single one. And just because we're talking about Tarte right now, I will show you the other ones that I have. They are not full size. They were not paid for. These were just samples. This is the Tarte Tartiest Lash Paint in black. This one's also really nice. It gives really good definition, but I wouldn't say, it does not give you, say for instance, the same look that Too Faced Better Than Sex gives you. It just really defines the lashes, but sometimes this is nice to have. And then another one that I loved was the Tarte Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. I found that with the way I applied, it acted very similar to my L'Oreal Voluminous Feline Mascara, which you guys know I love, and I am wearing that one today. And so I would honestly recommend all of the mascaras because you will find a huge difference. Whether you apply, it doesn't matter which type you apply. But personally, this one, I can't wait to use it because it's very voluptuous. It gives you length, but it also gives you volume. So very excited. And then this one, of course, I have a couple of samples of this one, like the purple one, but I had to get this one for summer because it is a limited edition. I don't know how long it's going to last on the website. So hence, I now have the product. So the very last product that I have is an eyeshadow palette, and it is this one here. I will read the name of it first. So it's the remixnaturals, this little tiny guy. But there is a large palette, and it has more colors, obviously, because it's larger. Of course, more pricey, but a lot of the colors I have already in different palettes, and all of the colors in this tiny one I love. Like every single one of those colors. I've been experimenting more with different shades, and I mean, I probably have the gold and the pink in a couple of other palettes, but that light blue is so pretty. The dark blue, a little scary, but I think it would be really good for a liner. And of course, you always need a darker shade in a lot of your looks anyway, so I think these are fantastic. They're all shimmers and satin shades, so again, I won't swatch it right now, but I will when we go to use the product. And I am in love. Those shades are so pretty. So this is what the top looks like a color paint splash. Love it. And that is just fantastic. So I will definitely make a first impressions video on all of these products, and I don't see why I can't use every single product in the same video, except for maybe the mascaras. It's the only thing I wouldn't use first because I do have samples of these two that I would like to use up before I open these. So I don't think I'll actually use those, but it will be the same mascara, just not that tube. So anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have used any of these products already, be sure to tell me. Tell me what you think. Do you love them? Are there things that could be improved upon? But keep watching for my next video because I will do a first impressions, and I will tell you guys not only how they apply and how they go on, but also the wear. So it might be in a video after that, but depending on how long I wear the products for, we'll just have to wait and see. So anyway, you guys have a wonderful day. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already done this, and hit the bell button down below to be notified every time I post a video, and we'll see you all soon. Have a wonderful day.